Okay, guys, it's your boy, the Linear Defense Academy, and a quick one on the DXY. So I was just checking through my phone as I came back from work. So I'm looking at DXY chart, although I've stopped trading for the year till next year, but I just want to look at DXY and also let you know the key zone that I'm looking at so that by next year we can know where our focus will be. Because you know that DXY control the market. If DXY is going up, Euro USD is coming down, GP USD is coming down, USD HF is going up, USD JPY is going up, USD CAD will be going up in line with DXY. So just a quick one here to show you guys about what is going on DXY. Note that if you understand pattern well, you understand pattern, the W pattern or head and shoulder or inverse head and shoulder, whichever pattern you've learned, you've read, the principle states that if it is W pattern, that the neckline must be broken to the upside before the pattern can be confirmed. That is how we are taught, and that is what has been playing out over a decade. And on DXY, do we have any pattern here? Of course, yes. Do we have any pattern? Of course, yes. Let me quickly highlight it for you guys. Let me highlight the pattern for you guys here. Where is my boss here? Okay, this is the part. This is okay. Let me shift this. Okay, a quick one here. We have a W pattern here. Let me make it look good because I love making my chart look good. Okay, let me put another one here. Let me put another one here so that it can look good. I like it to be. Now we have, this is a W pattern. This is W pattern. First, the market came down. We are working from the weekly. The market came down here. The market came down here. It went up. It couldn't break. It came down again. Then it went up and broke below this particular neckline, which the market has declined from severally about how many months? Let me say about 2 months. The market has really declined from breaking above this particular neckline. And what happened is that the market successfully broke above it with this particular long candle here. And it broke and closed above it, confirming this W pattern. Confirming this W pattern. When the market broke it, there's what we call inefficiency. There's what we call fair value gap. Like I always say, when you've done your analysis, what next to do is to look for maybe inefficiency, supply or demand, or fair value gap, where the market can possibly react to. You know, we are a trader. We don't trade what we feel. We trade what the market presents to us. And we always strategize and lay ambush in different ways. Okay, if plan A did not work, let me wait for plan B. If plan B did not work, let me wait for plan C. This is how you plan your trade. Now, when this guy broke to the upside, he left a space here. He left a space here. So that space, the market has come to fill it, and here now becomes what we call area of interest. This was the space that this guy left. On this particular zone now become what I call the area of interest, where I'll be keeping my eyes on, because this guy just broke to the upside, came down to come and retest. If DXY can sustain this particular zone here, if this particular zone here can be sustained and DXY push up, then we will likely see GBP/USD roll down and Euro/USD come down. But if this particular zone here failed, this particular demand zone, because here is where the market shoot up from. This is the long candle. This is the long candle where the market got the power from to shoot up and break this particular neckline here. So we should be keeping our eyes on this particular zone here, because at the moment the market shoot up, if you know how to identify a strong and weak supply zone. I think I've done that video on my channel, how to identify a strong supply or a strong demand zone. I've done that. You will understand it from this particular, how this bullish candle left here with a space, although the market came back with a wick to come and test it, but it still shoot up again. So now the market is now back inside this particular zone here to retest it. We'll be keeping our eyes on this particular zone here, on this particular demand zone here. Whatever happened here now will not determine if DXY will give us something like this. If DXY can give us something like this, then we will not decide, okay, maybe DXY can bounce from here and give us another high which should not be in line with this particular zone here. But if it failed, that means we are coming lower. But this is my area of interest, and I want you guys to also be keeping your eyes on it. One thing you should understand is that I'm a swing trader. Whenever I do my video, I do it from the weekly, monthly, daily standpoint. I'm not a day trader. And I'm not a scalper. So if you are watching me, if you're a swing trader, you can relate well. But if you're not a swing trader, if you are someone who is a scalper and you are watching me, sometimes my teaching may throw you overboard, because you may be seeing sell on your lower time frame while I'm focusing on buy. So it makes some people to come and comment and say, like I don't want to say a guy just came and insulted me because I make a video, I make my analysis, and you could have just make your own opinion clear without insulting, because what I'm seeing, you are not seeing it. I don't know, but the market will have to prove us right or wrong. I'm still hoping and I'm still waiting patiently for the market to play out. If it play out, fine, and if it did not, we are all here to make money, not to be right or wrong. So let me quickly go over to daily and check what we have on daily. You can see on daily that this is the zone we've gotten from our weekly. Let's cover it up. This is the zone we've gotten from our weekly. If we have a reaction from here, and if you can create a base here, you know what I call a base. A base is this particular structure here. If you can have a base here, a base is like something like this we can be having, and maybe just flip to the downside a little bit to take up stop losses for early people who bought early, and we have something like this, then we can now say, okay, we are good to the upside. And if DXY can break below here and sustain below here, that means we are coming lower. But if it did not, that means we will shoot up again. So I'm keeping my eyes on DXY. Best believe from next year, this year is already rounding up. We have about 3 weeks to go. So before then, let's see what DXY will do, because DXY control the market. When DXY is pointing up, other pair will be pointing down. Those that inverse correlated to DXY. But if it's the same correlated to DXY, like USD CHF, USD JPY, USD CAD, they will also be going up with DXY. So I'm keeping my eyes on this particular zone. So I just say, let me let you know that this is the zone I'm keeping my eyes on. And when this play out, GBP USD also will run off. Oh, that is what I have for you guys. Bye. Like I always say, if you like the way I teach, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you don't also like it, if you like the way I teach, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up. And if you don't also like the way I teach, also give me a dislike, but tell me in the comment box below what to do to improve in my next video. As you all know, no one knows it all. I'm here to learn. You're here to learn. You learn from me and learn from you until we attain the level which I call the CPT, consistent profitable trader. I'm not totally there yet, and I know a lot of traders are not totally there. Why not join me and let's go together until we attain the level? Peace out and bye for now, and let's keep watching the market as we round up for the year. Bye.